In progress.
Yeah. So how are all of you children? All well? Good, great. Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah. So can we start today lecture? Timetable changing. Okay, definitely we will look on that. See, give your attention. So we are going to discuss some of more terminology first, which use in study of the genetics. Right. Okay, G. And after that, we will just going to start the Mendelians. So some more terminology. Some more terminology is homozygous, heterozygous, dominant, recessive, phenotype, and genotype. First, we understand the meaning of all these terminology. Right, Ji? What is homozygous? Getting the things. So you just try to understand. If both the factor, or you can say both the allele of a gene are same, we called it what? Homozygous. I told you in the last class, okay, one student asking what is allele? Okay, Ji? Allele, yesterday I told, I think many of you was there when I told about the allele. Yeah, many of you are aware about. I told in the last class, I'm giving you a brief review of the last class because many people are asking. In last class, I told about character. In last class, I told about trait. In last class, I told about factor or gene. And I also told about, already told, that is which one? Allele. These are the terminology which already discussed. I'm just giving a brief synopsis. Character. What about character I told? Are you able to recall or forget? About character I wrote, differentiating feature of an organism is called what? Character. Like height, color, weight, shape. These all are what? Character. After that I told about traits. What I told about the trait? Different form of a character is called trait. Suppose that I am talking about height. I am telling he is tall, she is dwarf. She is tall, he is dwarf, like. So I am telling tall and dwarf, means I am talking about which character? I am talking about height. So in a study class I told like what? In a study class I told, suppose that height is a character, right? And the form of the height If I'm talking about tall, I'm talking about height. If I'm telling dwarf, I'm talking about height. So these height is a character. I told already yesterday, and tall is a trait. Dwarf is a different trait. So these tall and dwarf are two different traits of the same character, that is called height. So that I told about the character and height in the last class. And what I told about the factor or gene? Factor I told, factor responsible for character. Factor responsible for character. And I told about allele, that is what? Allele responsible for trait. For trait. Allele responsible for trait. So, or another things I told about allele is what? The alternative form of a gene. Alternative form of a gene is called allele. These are the two different forms of the same gene. If I am telling capital tall, it is represented by capital T, and dwarf represented by a small t. So capital T and a small t are allele and gene also. But capital T and a small t are different allele and same gene. So what I am writing here? Capital T and a small t are different allele. But same gene. And you can also say like what? You can also say like capital T and a small t are two different form of same gene. Why capital T and a small t are same gene? Because capital T represent which one? Height. A small t also represent which one? Height. So both are responsible for what? Same character. And that is the reason both are what? Same gene. You are getting the idea or not? But why capital T and small t are different allele? Why capital T and small t are different allele? Because capital T responsible for which one? Tallness. A small t responsible for dwarfness. So they are representing two different form of a character. Clear or not? So you got the synopsis about all these or not? Now we are coming on the today terminology, what I wrote on the board, and that is what? That is dominant, recessive, phenotype, genotype. I am just telling you in a somehow more better way and somehow in more detailed way. Children, I am asking a small question to you. How many chromosomes is present in your body? If I ask the question, in every cell, how many chromosomes is present in every cell? Very good answer. Yes, many are saying the very correct answer. It is what? 23 pair of chromosome. (23 pair of chromosome is present in our each and every cell, and you can say it also 46 chromosome. Do you know what is the meaning of this 23 pair of chromosome? It is present like this: 22 plus X, 22 plus X, 46, that is present in a female. And 22 plus X and 22 plus Y, these conditions present in a male. Clear? Is it all right? Okay, ji. So out of these 22 pair means 44 are called autosome. And these XX here which is present is called what? Allosome. Able to understand? And these allosome is also called, you can say, sex chromosome. Sex chromosome. Same here. In case of male, these 44, 22, 22, 44, 22 pair is what? Autosome. And these are what basically? Allosome. These are what basically? Allosome. Or you can say these allosome also as which chromosome? Sex chromosome. Now you try to understand and somehow in more detail. Have a look here. So you got the picture up to here or not? Out of 23 pair, who is autosome, who is allosome? I hope you are able to understand. Clear in the mind? Autosome, allosome, it is clear in the mind. Very good, very good. Now I am just telling you, have a look. Getting the things? See the things. Now you just assume a situation. This is first pair of chromosome. This is second pair of chromosome. This is third pair of chromosome. This is fourth pair of chromosome. And ... Here it is 23rd pair of chromosome. Clear? Are you getting the idea? Is it clear in the mind? Very good. It is first pair. So what you are saying, upper and lower is a pair. It is called first pair. It is called second pair. It is called third pair. It is called fourth pair. So these first pair of chromosome, are called which chromosome? Homologous chromosome. Homologous chromosome. This is first came from your mother side. Suppose that these first came from your father side, and it make which one? First pair. How first pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair, fifth pair, sixth pair, getting the things or not, are going to form, you try to understand. When human zygote form, it formed by the union of egg and sperm. So in egg, how many chromosomes are there? 23 chromosomes. And in a sperm also, who is there? 23 chromosomes. They are joining together and forming a which one? Zygote. Zygote have how many chromosomes? 46 chromosomes. Or you can write in another language, or you can write 23 pair chromosome. So in the zygote, 23 pair chromosome is present. So out of pair, one set, this is called set of chromosome. In one line, all the chromosome is present, is called set. So one set came from your mother side, and this one set is called N, and another set came from your dad's side. That is also called N. And N become what? 2N. You are getting the idea or not? So how many set of chromosome we have? So in human being, each and every cell have how many set of chromosome? 2 set and how many pair? 23 pair. You got the idea? 2 set and 23 pair of chromosomes are there. Each set contributed by one parent. One set came from mother side in the egg. Another set came from father side through a sperm. And when the egg and the sperm unite, formation of zygote occur. It become N plus N equal to what? 2N. Clear? it become n plus n equal to what? 2n. Is it clear in the mind? Is it all right? Okay. Now I am telling this one and this one, first from mother, first from father, is called homologous. Second from mother and second from father is called which one? Homologous. This is also homologous. But if I ask you, first from mother side and second from father side, is it homologous? Yes or no? First of mother, no. It is called which chromosome? It is called heterologous chromosome. So you can say homologous chromosome example, first pair of chromosome. Okay, children. Do you know one thing? To which chromosome first pair? First pair of chromosome, second pair of chromosome. Each pair of chromosome is what? Homologous chromosome. Is it clear? Is it clear? Heterologous chromosome means what? Heterologous chromosome means what? Suppose that when class started? Class started, I think we just started 15 minutes before. Definitely, I am going to tell you in much detail about the homologous and heterologous chromosome. Don't worry, just give me a moment. Haji, listen me carefully. So what I want to convey. This is first pair of chromosome. It is first chromosome from mother side. It is first chromosome of father side. It is called first pair of chromosome. Isn't it? Now you can say, sir, who is first, who is second, who is third, who is fourth chromosome? How to know? Anybody can answer? How to say in out of 46 chromosome, 23 pair of chromosome, this is first pair, this is second pair, this is third pair, this is fourth pair. Yeah, very good, Mansa. Very good, very good, very good answer. Size. We say the chromosome based on which one? Size. Clear? Longest chromosome is first chromosome. Out of 46 chromosomes present in your every cell, 2 chromosomes are of same size and the longest is called first chromosome, first pair of chromosome. You will find, getting the idea. So we are just saying everything according to which one? Size. Okay, ji? Who is the longest is first pair, second longest second pair, third longest third pair, fourth longest fourth pair, fifth longest fifth pair. So we are giving the numbering of chromosome based on which one? Based on which one? Size of the chromosome. Clear? Clear? Now suppose that here I am just telling you, here it is an egg. And here it is a 1 chromosome, 2 chromosome, 3 chromosome, 4 chromosome, 5 chromosome, 6 chromosome, 7 chromosome. Likewise, how many chromosomes are there? 23 chromosomes are there. 23 chromosomes are there. Okay, ji. I just told you like that 23 chromosomes are there. So whom you have to say who is the first? Who is the longest one is the first. Who is the longest one is the first. And who is the last? A smallest chromosome is the Y chromosome. If it is male, the smallest is the Y chromosome. Clear? Is it? Longest is the second smallest is X chromosome. Second smallest is X chromosome. Longest one is which one? First chromosome. So out of 23 here, the longest is first. Longest chromosome. Longest chromosome is which one? First chromosome. And a smallest is which one? Y chromosome. And second smallest is which one? X chromosome. You just note it. So we give the numbering of chromosome based on its size. You got the idea how to give the numbering of the chromosome? How to know who is first, who is second, who is third? Clear? First you just, yeah, very good. I will come one by one. I will come one by one, don't worry. Have a look here. So now you are aware about how to know who is first, who is second, who is third. I will come on homozygous, heterozygous. Wait, I am making background for that terminology first. When you have all paraphernalia clear, many times I find people certain time got selected in a college, they don't have basics. So I'm just making background of the subject. Getting the things. So when you will read the things, definitely you will find, yeah, I know everything now. I have a picture in my mind. Getting the things. And education or a study doesn't mean only you mug up the line of the NCERT or mug up the line of the books. Mugging up will not help you up to the great level in the life. As you understand everything in the subject, it will remain always in your mind, in your permanent memory. Got the idea? And you will never going to lose it. So as much possible, try to understand the concept behind it. It is easy to say, na, in one line, I will say the definition of homozygous. In one line, say, I can say the definition of heterozygous. But I am making a background from 15 minutes before homozygous. Getting the idea? So I will come on that. Don't worry. Have a look here. What I want to say. So you got first, you tell me, will you confuse in future in your life? Which one is the first chromosome, which one is the second chromosome, which is the third chromosome, which is the, getting the thing, not now. You can say according to size. Who have the more length chromosome, suppose that here 1 chromosome, 2 chromosome, 3 chromosome is there, 4 chromosome is there. So this is the longest, I will say it first, I will say it second, I will say it third, I will say it fourth, and so on. You got the idea? So based on size, we are giving the what? Name of the chromosome, longest. Clear? Very clear. Now I am telling you, suppose that this is an egg. I am just giving you a more better clarity. Suppose that this is an egg, and how many chromosomes are there? 23. Likewise. How many chromosomes are there? I am not counting. Simply I told how many chromosomes are there? 23. Assume, don't count it. Sir, it is not 23. I just told it what? Okay, Ji? Right? X and Y also on the basis of, I told, now one student asking, sir, X and Y. X and Y have a role in sex determination. That is the reason it calls sex chromosome or allosome. But it is the X is the second smallest, Y is the smallest. If someone going to ask, who is the smallest chromosome in your cell? So in the case of female, X. In the case of male, Y. Clear? Who is the longest chromosome in your cell? You have to say, sir, first. So this is the assume 23 chromosome present in which one? 23 chromosome present in an egg. And here it is a sperm. These sperm also have how many chromosomes? 23 chromosomes. So 23 chromosome is called one set. And here also these 23 chromosome is called how many set? One set. Did you got the set, na? So in one set of the human, how many chromosome is there? One set is called N. N. So in N equal to how many is there? 23. N equal to how many is there? 23. Here also n equal to how many is there? 23. Now they are joining together and they are forming which one? A zygote. In zygote, how many chromosomes will come? 46. 46. Clear? And how many it will come? 2 set. 2n. 2n equal to 46, or you have to say 23 pair. Now, first longest also present in a sperm, na? And first longest also present in which one? Egg. Agree or not agree? First longest of the sperm, first longest of the egg have same size, and that is called first pair. You got the meaning of first pair? First pair, you got the meaning? First longest of the sperm and first longest of the which one? Egg. When they unite, mix in the zygote, they came together in the zygote, na? So first longest of the sperm, first longest of the egg is called which chromosome? First pair of the chromosome. And the first pair of chromosome is homologous chromosome. Second longest of the sperm, listen me carefully and patiently. Second longest of the sperm, second longest of the egg is called which pair? Second pair. Third longest of the sperm, third longest of the egg, third pair, and so on. 20th longest of the sperm, 20th longest of the egg have same size or different size? 20th longest of a sperm, 20th longest of the egg have same size, na? Very good. And they are called what basically? 20th pair. You got the idea? I hope you will not confuse in the future. Now, first longest of the, so pair of chromosome, first pair of chromosome, second pair of chromosome. So it is called homologous chromosome. Now question arises, what is the definition of homologous chromosome, sir? So I am telling you definition of homologous chromosome. I am telling you definition of homologous chromosome. Got the idea? Look at the definition of the homologous chromosome. So homologous chromosome have some character. What are the character? You just see the definition in the language of character. Homologous chromosome have same length. Means size. Have same shape. Position of centromere are also same. Do you know centromere? Also same. Homologous chromosome also have some character. Have same gene. And have same or different allele. So this is the character of the homologous chromosome. If two chromosomes are homologous, they have the same length, same size, they have the same shape, their position of centromere is same, position of centromere is same, they have same gene, they have same or different allele. Centromere, it is not centrome. Centromere, centromere. Got the idea? You know centromere? You have seen the structure of chromosome, na? If you look the real structure of chromosome, it look like, actually you have studied in your book like this, na? This is what basically. This is a what basically? Chromosome. And it is what basically? Chromosome. And here this point is called which one? Centromere. And these are arm. These are called arm. Are you getting? When I will teach, I will talk much detail about the chromosome. In 1-2 lecture only we will talk about chromosome. Now I am telling you the basic. Getting the things. When the chromosome topic we will start, 2 lecture, 3-4 hour only we talk about which one only? These chromosomes. We dissect in very detail. You got the idea? Clear? In a sperm there are 23. Egg 23. When they fuse during coitus, zygote form na? So in zygote, a sperm in egg and in zygote, mixing of whose occur? Chromosome of egg occur, chromosome of sperm occur, and their number will double or not double? 23 plus 23, how much it will become? 46. Is it clear in the mind? Is it clear? What is chromosome? Yeah, it's also a good question. Chromosome, if you talk about, it is called, if you talk about physical proof of chromosome, it is made up of a DNA and protein and responsible for transfer of character in the next generation. We will talk also much detail about what is chromosome. Getting the things? So what I am telling, you got the homologous chromosome. Chromosome means who have information for character. Who have information for determination of character is what basically. Getting the idea is chromosome. So what I am telling, character. What the character of the homologous chromosome, children? Homologous chromosome, what character I told? They have same length. They have same shape. They have same position of centromere. They have same gene. They have same or different allele. Now I am just telling you, have a look here. Suppose that this is a chromosome. You just see both have a same length. Both have a same position of centromere. If in this chromosome A gene is present here, A is also present here. If B is present here, B is also present here. So we call upper and lower chromosome as which chromosome? Homologous chromosome. You got the idea? Understand the idea? Is it clear? So in upper and lower chromosome, length is same or not? Length is same. Position of centromere is also what? Same. Gene is also same. A gene. Are you getting the idea? Who is also same? Gene is also same. But what you are saying? Here B gene. Gene is same. But who is different? In second case. In first pair of gene, it is same, but second allele is not same. So in this case, who is same? Look here. Here both gene and allele are same. And here who is same? Genes is same, but allele is different. What I wrote in the definition and character of a homologous chromosome, they may have same or a different allele. It is okay. but they don't have, never have different gene. Locus is another terminology. Locus is the point on chromosome where gene is present. The point of chromosome where gene is present is called what? Locus. Like here it is a locus. This is a locus. A gene present in this point. B gene present on this point. So this is one locus, this is another locus. And A gene and B gene present on different locus. Are you getting the idea? What is the difference between gene and allele? I told you, alternative form of a gene is called allele. Okay, G, got the idea? Here it is okay. Here, can I say for A gene, both gene and allele are same, A and A. But in case of B, both gene and allele are what? Different. And locus is what? Locus is point on the chromosome where gene is present. It's called locus. I am drawing a somehow more better diagram of the DNA. Have a look. Can I change it? Now I am telling here only homozygous. This is, dear children, now you will understand. It is A na? A and A. In homologous chromosome, who is present? Capital A, capital A. And here in this homologous chromosome, who is present? Capital B, small b. This is called what? Homozygous. Homozygous. And here it is called which one? Heterozygous. So when at a homologous chromosome, both the gene and allele are same, it is called homozygous. And when at homologous chromosome, at a particular point, gene are same and allele are different, it is called which one? Heterozygous. Clear? Clear? Capital B, small b is heterozygous. So in this case, capital B and small b, one parent contribute capital B, another parent contribute a small b. So you can say when both parent contribute same allele of a gene, it is called homozygous. Mother contributing capital A, father contributing capital A, the children become which one? Capital A, capital A. Mother contributing capital B, father contributing a small b, it become which one? Capital B and a small b. Mother capital B, father a small b, it become which one? Capital B, small b. Suppose that here I am writing another locus. Here it is another locus, another point. This is another point. Here it is a small d, small d. Mother contributing a small d, father contributing a small d, it becomes which one? A small d, small d. Getting the idea? Understanding the idea? So you got the homozygous or heterozygous meaning or not? Tell me, hurry up. Clear? Okay, Ji. Now I am telling you some more detail about the locus. Suppose that look here. This is a chromosome. Actually, chromosome like this, what you study at your standard, this is a chromosome. And this is a particular point. Or I am just making somehow more amplified so you can understand it is more better. I am making like this, more quiet. This is the chromosome, and this area is called which one? Centromere. And these are called what? Arm. This is also called which one? Arm. And here every position, suppose that this here A gene is there, so it is a locus. Here B gene is there, it is a different locus. Here C gene is there, it is a different locus. Here D gene is there, so it is a different locus. So you got the meaning of locus? Locus is point. Point on the chromosome where gene are present. Gene are present on which one? Chromosome. Gene are present on which one? Chromosome. And different gene are present at different. You just see, na? You just see in a easy language. What is this? It is a chromosome. And suppose that here A gene, here B gene, here C gene, here D gene, here E gene, here F gene is there. So we called every point as a locus. So this is one locus. This is one locus. This is different 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 locus. So you got the meaning of locus. Point on the chromosome is called what? Locus. What is locus, children? You got the idea, meaning of locus? Clear in the mind? Point on the chromosome is called which one? Locus. So two different genes are present on different locus. Clear in mind? Okay. So now I am drawing. I am asking a question. I want to check how much you understand. Here it is M, here it is N, here it is O, here it is P, here it is Q, here it is S. Upper and lower chromosome are homologous chromosome or heterologous chromosome? They are homologous? No, they are heterologous. Why heterologous? Prove it. Why heterologous? Prove it. Why heterologous? Because their length are different. Because they don't have same gene. If it is homologous, they have which one? Same length. If they are homologous, I am just drawing another diagram. Here, I am writing gene X, gene Y, gene Z, gene M, and here also at this point, here it is gene X, gene Y, gene Z, and gene M. Is it homologous or heterologous? It is homologous. Why homologous? Because in this case, their length are same. They are containing the same gene. Now I am asking another question. Here, capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital D, small d, capital M, small n, small n. How many genes I put on this chromosome? Count the gene. Count the gene, 5. Now you tell me, I am asking each and every one once again. Is it homozygous or heterozygous? Heterozygous. Not heterologous. Heterologous term we use for chromosome. Homologous chromosome used for chromosome. Homozygous or heterozygous term used for gene. Are you getting the idea? Zygous term, homozygous, heterozygous, term be used for gene. Homologous, heterologous, be used for whom? Chromosome. So don't make a khichdi in your mind. Don't make a khichdi in your mind. Okay. So capital A, small a, in circle. I will write it like this, na? Capital A, small a. Homo, hetero. Hetero. Next, capital B, small b, homo, hetero. Hetero. Very good. Capital D, small d, homo, hetero. Hetero. Very good. Capital M, homo, hetero. Homo. Very good. And small n, homo, hetero. Homo. So will you confuse in future? Ki who is homozygous, who is heterozygous? I hope no, na? In homozygous, what is the condition? Both mummy and daddy contributing same alleles of a gene. When mummy and daddy contributing same allele of the gene, mummy contribute capital M, daddy contribute capital M. You become capital M for that character. You become homozygous for that character. Mummy side gene is what? Capital A. Daddy side gene is what? Small a. Same gene is there. Got the idea? For height, suppose that daddy contribute capital T, mummy contribute a small t. You become what? Heterozygous. For blood group, mummy contribute capital A and daddy contribute capital A. You become of A blood group. If mummy contribute capital A, daddy contribute capital B, you become of AB blood group. Are you getting the idea? Understanding the idea? Is it clear? So in this case, you are what? Homozygous. In this case, you are what? Heterozygous. So when both mother and father contribute same allele of a gene, you are homozygous for that character. When they are contributing different allele of a gene, you are heterozygous for that character. Clear? Understood? Okay? Right. Sir, how to conclude A positive, A negative? I will teach later. Negative positive based on RH factor. That is a different thing. If you have RH factor, then you will come RH positive. You don't have RH factor, you will call which one? RH negative. So that based on the which one? Rhesus factor. And based on that, we say which one? Positive and negative. So in blood typing, we check ABO typing and RH typing. That is a separate lecture we will talk. Okay, Ji. So can I expect my student have understood about homologous chromosome? You will not confuse in the life about the homologous chromosome. Sir, I know now homologous chromosome, very good. What the character I told? Same length, same position of centromere, same gene, maybe same or different allele. Heterologous chromosome, post-Mendelian, just we not started Mendelian only. How can we start post-Mendelian right now? Be still in the background to start Mendelian. I just told about pre-Mendelian. Clear, G? Okay. Very good. So you know now, you know homozygous, heterozygous also. So when both the allele of a gene are same, homo. When both the allele of a gene are different, hetero. Now I am moving ahead. Now we are moving ahead. Okay, Ji? See the things. So Homozygous, heterozygous be done. I am coming on how many terminology we have planned. See the things. So homozygous, over. Heterozygous, over. If I wrote simply definition, when a gene have both same allele in a pair of factor, if both the allele of a gene are same, it is homozygous. I can write and a heterozygous if by how can we write? If both the allele of a gene are what? Different. It is called what? Heterozygous. So you not got damn clarity. Now I hope you understand the things, getting the things or not. Definitely I will share the screen. So you will got the everything. I will share the QR code, don't worry. Listen it carefully. And write also. See, many times what's happened? Study, we learn in life by different way. Many times student do what? What the correct practice? If we are teaching, you listen, side by side you note. When you are writing, also your brain is working. Say about centromere, sir. There is a question of the students. Centromere. Centromere is the constriction. Centromere, okay, I am telling you centromere. Centromere is the constriction on the chromosome. It is also called primary constriction. This is a chromosome, na? Look. This is a chromosome. I am drawing. This is the chromosome. Here it is a constriction or not? Is it constricted? Constricted in a chromosome, you are fine, na? Area in chromosome is there, what? Where it is thin. It is thickness is going to reduce for some moment. Getting the things or not? So these constriction is called centromere. These constriction is called centromere. And this centromere is also called which constriction? Primary constriction. You got the basic idea. Much detail you will got na later on when we will study everything in much detail. I'm just using this terminology, so you just got somehow easy to understand your topic. You are centromere. I just told, you know na chromosome. If you know about chromosome, it look like this. So here is the most thinnest area. So this thinnest area is called what? Centromere. Why this constriction is there? How this constriction is formed? Where these constriction are present? Many questions are there, but you will understand with the due course of time, na? Sir, once say, getting the things about heterologous. Any student can say what your friends are asking. Sir, say about heterologous. Anybody can say what is heterologous? Two chromosomes whose length is not same. Two chromosomes who don't have same gene. You are confusing in heterozygous or heterologous. Many students still not giving right answer. One term is heterozygous. These are the terms we can write capital A, small a. We are telling heterozygous and homozygous for gene or allele and heterologous for chromosome. Don't confuse, don't make a khichdi. Heterologous. So what is heterologous? Heterologous is what? heterologous, two different chromosomes. Or you can say, how to know, sir, two different chromosomes? So better to say two chromosomes who don't have same length, two chromosomes who don't have same gene is called which chromosome? Heterologous chromosome. I told the diagram, bhaiya. You just have a look. I told through a diagram. If you recall, I said about it. Look here. Here I told these two are homologous. And here is our heterologous. So logous term, homologous, heterologous term used for chromosome. These two chromosomes not have same length. They don't have same gene. That is the reason we are telling they are what? Heterologous. And here we are saying it is what? Homologous. Because their length are same. They have the same gene. Clear? Understood? Is it all right? Yes. No, for pair we use the term heterologous, not confuse. For single chromosome we not use term homologous and heterologous. Listen, term homologous and heterologous used for pair of chromosome. So this is a pair of chromosome. It is homologous pair of chromosome. These are also pair of chromosome, but they are not homologous pair of chromosome. They are heterologous pair of chromosome. It came in your mind or not? It came in your mind or not? Okay, ji. Yeah, of course. In last, you can take the screenshot. Yeah, position of centromere is different. It means heterologous. Suppose that this is a chromosome. I am drawing. This is a chromosome. And this is another chromosome. Is it homologous or heterologous? This pair is homologous or heterologous? Heterologous. What differences you are finding? Their length is also different and their position of centromere is also different. Different or not different? Length is also different. Position of centromere is also different. Clear? Is it all right? Yes. And that is the reason we are telling it is heterologous. Gene is also different. Suppose that I am writing A gene, B gene, M gene, N gene. Gene is also different. So heterologous chromosome have different length, different position of centromere, different gene. Getting the idea? Shape means what? Shape means it is like this. A chromosome is there. Just have a look. Right? Here it is a centromere. And these are arm. These are second arm. These are long arm. These are short arm. And this is centromere. So this chromosome look like V shape, na? And this chromosome look like L shape, na? Look like or not look like? One look like V, one other look like L. So the different shape of the chromosome depend upon what? Position of centromere. If centromere is in middle, it will give V shape. If centromere, one arm is long, one arm is short, it gives which one? L shape. One very long, one very short. One very long, one very short. Here centromere. Here is one arm. It is giving which shape? J shape. So shape of the chromosome depend upon which one? Position of the centromere. So position of the centromere decide either the chromosome give a V shape if both arms are equal. Centromere is in middle, V. If one long, one short, L. One very long, one very short, it is which shape? J. Got the idea? Is it clear? Sir, in place of Mn, if we place AB, is it homozygous? Look here, where the one student doubt is there. Your friend is asking a question. Try to answer his question. There are two chromosomes. Your friend is asking, in place of AB, Mn, if we put AB, it become homologous? It is not possible to place. Why not possible to place? Because their length is also different, na? So it is become a hypothetical question, na? It is never possible. Two different chromosomes have a same gene, it is never possible. A particular gene present at a particular locus of a chromosome. So same gene not repeat at how many places? Two places. Clear? Clear? Yes. Right. Now I am moving on another terminology. Another terminology. And after teaching 1-2 classes, I will give you a short assignment also to check after one more classes, because some information also required to answer the question. So we will share the assignment and you just try to handle it. Coolly, slowly, consistently, if you work, you see, many you are studying right now, many of your friends are playing. So who is learning? You are learning, you are benefiting. So such of a small effort, if you give for these 2 years, definitely you become very successful in the life. Small effort. Getting the things or not? Otherwise, see, your sincereness level, many other people's sincereness level. Many are in euphoria. Okay, I just completed my 10th. I will just enjoy someday, get chill, enjoy. That is also not bad. But side by side, if we just somehow show the sincereness about our target, definitely you become ahead in which one? Race. So after the class, you can enjoy, no problem. But when you are studying, gene is also present in chromosome. Of course, gene is present on chromosome. Gene, this line is a chromosome. An example, this line is a chromosome, and I am just telling you, these dots are what? Assume gene. You think like this. So gene are present on which one? Chromosome. Okay, Ji. On chromosome, many genes are there. Thousands of genes are there on each chromosome. Thousands of genes are there. Is it? And each gene responsible for a character. So we have a lot of character, na? We have a lot of characters. So all character is determined by which one? Gene. We have one student asking, sir, we get the chromosome of our grandfather and grandmother, of course. You, your father, your grandfather, dear father, your children will share the common genetic material and with little differences. And these little differences is variation. In your father, chromosome came from whom? Your grandfather. And your grandmother. In you, chromosome came from where? Your father and mother. Got the idea? Understanding the idea? The smallest chromosome is Y, not 21st. The smallest chromosome is which one? Y. Okay? Now. Now we are moving on. Which one? Phenotype and genotype. How many of you are aware about, before moving on genotype and phenotype, I want to say something. How many of you are aware about exam, very prestigious exam, KVPY? How many of you are? Some are saying no. So if you are aware, you write yes. If you are not aware, you write no. So most of the student writing no. Some of the student writing yes, sir, I am aware. So you first target for yourself this exam. And when this exam is going to conduct? These exam will conduct this year only, November or December. Yeah, a first year student, you can write also. You can write this exam during your 11th, means first year, and you can write also in second year. Means you are eligible to write the exam both in first year and second year. So when you will be in second year also, you got the opportunity to write. So you got the opportunity to write this exam how many times? 2 times. Only 2 times. One during your first year and another during your second year. And most of the smart, intelligent students of the country write it. Got the idea? It's a very good exam. This is an exam conducted by Ministry of Science, Government of India. Full name is Kishore Vaigyanik Protsahan Yojana. Okay, so this is conducted by which one? Conducted by which one? Ministry of Science, Government of India. And this is a scholarship exam. This is a scholarship exam. So when you got selected in this exam, the standard of this exam is higher than NEET. NEET is a chinna exam. People make a hype. If you are really consistent, you become a very good doctor. Getting the things, it is more prestigious, more difficult exam than NEET exam. Much more difficult than NEET. And you first, means if you are going to crack a KVPY, no one going to stop you where? To qualify NEET. Isn't it? So just put your target for that. If you people have questions of previous year, well and good. Otherwise, you can go on Google and download the question paper of the previous exam, KVPY exam. You will also find which standard of questions is going to ask in that exam. You will be aware about that. And it is a scholarship exam given by government, conducted by Government of India. If you selected and if you want to become a scientist, make a career in the science, government give you the scholarship of nearly 5,000 rupees per month up to your entire academic career. Per annum, approximately 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees they will give you for purchase of the books. So if government is paying that amount, that's a big banna. Getting the things. Syllabus of the exam of the first year syllabus only. And that is the reason I am telling you people did great. You have started early. You people did great, and definitely we will help you out how to work for that exam. And it's a great achievement. It will increase your testimonial of life. As you say, anyone, na, I'm a KVP by scholar. People will look like this. Oh, intelligent one. Means it's a stamping of intelligence on you. No need to say other words. If it is written KVP by a scholar. In 10th class, it may be many one have given NTSC scholar. So it is going to improve your what? Profile, na? Is it? It's going to improve your profile. So syllabus of the first year syllabus. And it is best you Google whenever you just we leave the class. After that, you just Google and you will find what are the syllabus and whatever the everything about that particular exam. You will find about the questions also. You look how question of physics, how question of chemistry, how question of biology, going to ask in that particular exam. Okay, children, understood? So you make your first target this. First target this. It will improve your testimonial. See, these 2 years is an opportunity for you. If you grab it properly, you came in a special bracket from a common bracket. You will just settle in your life. You will place professionally where you wish in your life. And I told you in the very first day, na, कि these 2 years is in your ball is in your court. You enjoy, you go for a time pass. How long parents see? And how long anyone control you? If you want to study, definitely you will excel. If you will not want, definitely you will come in problem. So you keep one thing in mind, what you are doing at this stage. It is a time to take authority in your hand and take the decision of your life. If I really want to become successful, I have to work. I have to show the society. I have to show my credential to society. These are the first stage came, na, where you will see, yes, AIMS Delhi, yes, KVPY. Then society will differentiate you from other. Till now, 10th class, 9th class, getting the idea, or first year, second year, that not going to make you a differentiating persons of the society. Right, na? So work for you, work for yourself, and not think like I'm working for my parent. You are working for yourself. Parent is doing for your happiness. Getting the things or not? If you will be happy, they will be happy. So you think like it is my life, and I have to decide where I want to place in my life. And if you really did great, great will happen. Okay, so very whole, and it is the most I told na, this coming 2 years is that much decision making time. What happened? After 2 years, many of you got seat. Their life is set. Who not got? Think about that. They will go for BSc. They will go for some paramedical courses. Got the idea? They will prepare for some XYZ competitive exam. So a long future will come in dark. Their confidence is going to decrease. Many things happen, na? Many things happen. So very, very, very crucial moment. And don't study to show anyone, look how intelligent I am studying. Getting the things. Study for your satisfaction and give your 100%. Every day when you are going to sleep, you ask a question. Every day you ask a question for yourself and you maintain a diary. It will keep you in track. Really, I have given today my 100% of energy for my target of life. If I have given 100%, then sleep. You just like how much potential I have and how much I am working. If 100%, 100%, 100% out of 365 days, your answer comes 100%, 200 day even, 250 day even. I did 200 today, 100% today. I can't work more than this. No one going to make you failed, my dear children. No one going to make you failed. But we can answer ourselves better. When we answer for others, we make them fool. But you can't fool yourself. You know who am I. So best is what? Ask a question every day to you. Really, I have given my 100% today? Is it my maximum capacity? Is it not possible for me to work more than this for my dream? If it was there, how much potential I have to work more? And why I not work that much? Where I wasted my today time? How much more hour I can utilize better without stress? Never take the stress in the life. Coolly. Dream is a big thing in the life now. You see, your dream is not that much big. You heard about a lady, I hope the name is Arunima Sinha. I will send the QR code. Yeah, looks there. I am sending the first QR code. Wait. Heard about the name? Yes, many are saying. See about that lady thrown from train. Both, I think one leg is totally moved out. She was on prosthetic leg. For a dream to prove the world, who am I? She just in 1 year, she went on which one? Mount Everest. So that is called dream, and that is called passion of the dream. For your dream, what big? You have to study, na? And beside of that, we take that much tension. So people do a lot of things for their dream. People do a lot of things for dream to make true. Many people, see, na, going on Mount Everest, you will come live or alive or you will die. Nobody know. But people even sacrifice their life for their dream. That much they work. They don't know either I will come return back or not return back. Is it true, na? Many people sleep, they lose their life. Many people lose their life due to lack of oxygen. It happened or not happen? Right? No, why is the smallest? If you talk about all the information of internet, always it is not correct. So who is the smallest chromosome in our body? Y. Keep it in mind. What we say based on a lot of research and informations. Got the idea? So don't confuse about that. Okay. So it's done. It's all right. Okay, children. Bye-bye. See you in the next class.